Howdy fellas, the Kibler Southern Mountain Rifle kit is complete. It took me about 3 weeks, but on any given day I didn't work more than probably 3 hours maximum. And there was a couple of days in there that I was waiting on add-ons that I got for it, such as a toe plate and also for the bone black that I used in some of the areas to give it an antique look. As well, I mentioned in the videos that I use brass black on the metal parts to give it more of an antique look, as you can see on the barrel and also on the butt plate and the trigger guard. It turned out real well. It's not perfect, but it's not too pretty to take hunting. That's the thing of it. You know, it's mine. It's got its little mistakes, but I think I did pretty good considering I hadn't done anything like this in a lot of years. The biggest problem I had, and I mentioned in the video, was the ramrod on the thing. To start with, it didn't want to fit the ramrod entry hole in the stock. And I turned it down and still had a lot of problems with it. The thing is very, very crooked. I tried straightening it, but it was just a bad ramrod. It's the only thing I can figure. So I finally got it where I can live with it. I won't use it that much because if I'm out in the woods hunting, I might have to use it, but I'll probably take a little small range rod that I built for that situation. Anyway, I'm very, very pleased. I would recommend this kit to someone. You don't have to have a ton of skill. You got a little woodworking skill, a little ability to fix little small problems that crop up, like I had with the lock bolt, not wanting to start threading. It was just a matter of taking the barrel back out and doing a little bit to the hole that goes through the breech plug, which I overcome those little things, and it was a lot of fun to do. Now I'm sitting here scratching my head. What am I going to do now? But anyway, it is finished, and like I said, it looks pretty doggone good, I think. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Keep your powder dry. Mind your top knot, Pilgrim.